Hi students, welcome to our fifth class, Information Technology. Dear students, in our fifth class, computer means information technology. Okay, in this video, we get information about first topic, Introduction to Computer. In this topic, first point we learn what is a computer. Second, input, process, output, computer device, types of computer, feature of computer, and use of a computer, man and computer. These are the points in this topic. First point, a computer. What is a computer? Dear students, in today's modern world, computer has become a necessity. Means without computer, without mobile phone, we cannot do anything. Using computer, we can do our daily works, that is office work, school work. Okay, they are used in bank, school, office, railway station, airport, and many other places. Okay, you know that computer is a main part of our daily life. First, what is a computer? The computer world, computer, come from the word compute, COMPUTE, which means to calculate. Compute means calculate. In their early day, computer were used for doing calculation, and hence the name. Means in past the calculation means calculator, so this name come from compute. Okay, today computer are used for typing letter, sending email, playing games, listening to the music, and a variety of other tasks. The computer is a electronic machine, you know that. Okay, using this we can type letter, sending emails, playing games, listen to music, and a variety of other tasks. Okay, dear students, the person who use a computer is called a user. The computer means the person who use a computer is called a user. Okay, next, computer is an electronic machine. It can store a large amount of data in its memory. You know, computer is a electronic machine and it can store a large amount of data in its memory. It can process the same data to give a desired output according to the instruction we give. We type information using keyboards, you give instruction to using the mouse, and we can design and we can decide the output. Okay, these are the main work of computer. We give information, we can take we give instruction to computer, and then computer can do their work, and they last give the output. Computer increase the efficiency and productivity of our organization. Computer is not only useful for us, but it also increase the efficiency and productivity of any organization. Okay, these are the main advantage of computer. Next, input, process, output. What is mean input, what is mean process, and what is mean output? Okay, we move ahead. First, we take example for input, process, output. Dear students, you know sugarcane? Yes, ऊसाचा रसगाडा. In a sugarcane juice center, sugarcane are put from one side into the crushing machine, where it is slowly crushed and the sugarcane juice come out from the other side. In this procedure, sugarcane is the input, the sugarcane juice is the output, and the action of the crushing the sugarcane is the process. Means input means a sugarcane and process means crushing the sugarcane and juice is the output. This is the main and best example of input process output. In our computer, first we see picture. This is the sugarcane. Sugarcane enter into the machine, that's crushing, and last we get a juice. This is the output. Input means sugarcane, process means crushing, and output means juice. This is the best example for input process output. Okay. In the same way, a computer works in 3 steps. In the same way, a computer works same 3 steps. Data is entered through keyboard or mouse. It is then processed in the CPU and the result or output is displayed on the monitor or screen. Okay, next. Parts of a computer. Computer is made up of the following 3 parts which are shown in the figure. Block diagram of computer, input device, arithmetic and logical unit, control unit, memory unit. These are the CPU. Output device. These are the main block diagram of computer. Input means keyboard, mouse, then CPU. In CPU, arithmetic logical unit, control unit, memory unit, and last output. Output means printer or monitor. What is mean input device? A device through which data is entered is called an input device. Input device means a device through which data is entered in computer is called a input device. For example, mouse, keyboard, scanner, joystick. There are many devices for input to give the instruction or enter the data in the computer system. Next, central processing unit, that is CPU. It is made up of 3 parts. CPU is made of 3 parts. ALU, that is arithmetic and logical unit. All the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well as logical operation like comparison are done in the same unit. Then CU, that is control unit. This unit regulate and manage the whole computer system, that is control unit. This unit manage and regulate all computer system. Then memory unit. The memory unit is stored the data. That is, this information is temporarily stored in this unit. Next, third, output device. The processed data is displayed on a output device, means monitor or printer. Okay, these are the parts of computer: input device, CPU and output device. Input device is a device through which data is entered in a computer system, and CPU, that is central processing unit. In this, ALU, CU and memory unit, and output, this is the display the answer. Okay, dear students. Okay, we stop here in first video. Okay, you can revise this video and watch again and again and learn. Thank you.